Ever wondered how Nvidia is revolutionizing the world of programming? Nvidia, a titan in the tech field, is best known for its top-notch GPUs and advancements in artificial intelligence. However, what really sets Nvidia apart for developers and tech buffs? The CUDA platform, a game-changing tool. CUDA allows developers to utilize the immense power of GPUs for speedy parallel computing, comparable to attaching a turbo booster to your coding mechanism. Essentially, Nvidia is transforming the coding world by simplifying it, making it more efficient, and turbocharging it beyond our wildest dreams. This level of speed and power is what Nvidia brings to the table. So, are you ready for an exciting journey into Nvidia's world of innovation? That's the level of acceleration we're proposing. Nvidia is not simply into ordinary tech. They pioneer AI-powered innovations like Nvidia Jarvis and Nvidia Merlin. Envision these solutions as your personal coding aids, ready to handle tedious tasks so you can focus on bigger things. These AI revolutions automate tasks including natural language understanding and workflow optimization. Such advancements transform coding from a mundane job into a thrilling journey. The benefits? Less time spent on bugs due to automatic code generation, and more time for bringing your creative ideas to life. We'll delve into Nvidia's AI-driven companions, Nvidia Jarvis and Nvidia Merlin. As coding partners, they streamline tasks and morph coding from a routine task into an exciting adventure. Nvidia's advancements aren't just high-level theory. They contribute significantly to AI, gaming, and scientific computing, pushing the boundaries of innovation. We'll explore the real-world outcomes of these advancements and their future impact. Nvidia is redefining the software development landscape, spearheading coding automation and fostering a creative environment. Its contributions illuminate the software development future, making each day brighter. We find ourselves the future of software development gleaming brighter each day, all thanks to the strides made by Nvidia. So we have come to the end of our discussion today. Nvidia, a trailblazer in coding automation, is redefining the software development landscape. Their innovative approach combines efficiency and creativity in software creation, setting a new benchmark for the industry. Continually pushing boundaries, Nvidia is making a tremendous impact on the future of software development. They're not just but also fostering innovation. Stay abreast of Nvidia's progressive undertakings to remain updated. We urge you to keep an eye on Nvidia's latest innovations and stay tuned for